What if you didn't need to be rich to live a rich life? Imagine waking up in a beautiful apartment, eating out every day, exploring new cultures, and still spending less than $30 a day. In these countries, your money goes further than you ever imagined. From cheap rent to amazing street food and low transportation costs, these places offer a lifestyle that feels luxurious on a small budget. Let's start the list. Number 1. Vietnam. Vietnam is one of the best places in the world for affordable living without sacrificing comfort. In cities like Da Nang, Hanoi, and Ho Chi Minh City, you can rent a private room or small apartment for a very low monthly cost, often including utilities. Street food is everywhere, and meals like pho, banh mi, and rice dishes usually cost just $1 or $2. Transportation is cheap, whether by bus, scooter, or ride apps. You also get beautiful beaches, mountains, and vibrant city life, making Vietnam perfect for both relaxation and adventure on a small daily budget. Number 2. Thailand. Thailand offers an incredible balance of low cost and high quality of life. In many cities, you can find comfortable apartments for a few $100s per month and enjoy delicious meals from street vendors for just a couple of dollars. Public transportation is affordable, and renting a scooter is cheap if you prefer to explore on your own. Thailand also offers beautiful beaches, lively night markets, peaceful temples, and friendly locals. Whether you choose Chiang Mai, Bangkok, or a small island town, it's easy to live well while spending very little each day. Number 3. Indonesia. Indonesia, especially outside of tourist hotspots, is extremely affordable and full of natural beauty. You can rent cozy rooms or guest houses for low prices, sometimes with gardens or pools included. Local food is fresh, filling, and cheap, with rice, vegetables, and meats costing just a few dollars per meal. Transportation by scooter or local buses costs very little, and many attractions are free or low cost. From volcanoes to beaches and rice fields, Indonesia offers peaceful living and adventure without putting pressure on your wallet. Number 4. Philippines. The Philippines is ideal for budget living if you love ocean views and warm weather. Affordable apartments and guest houses are easy to find, especially outside major tourist areas. Local meals like rice, grilled meats, and noodles are inexpensive and filling. Transportation by jeepney, tricycle, or ferry is very cheap, allowing you to explore many islands easily. With friendly locals, beautiful beaches, and colorful markets, the Philippines offers a relaxed lifestyle where you can enjoy island living without spending much money each day. Number 5. India. India is one of the most budget-friendly countries in the world, offering extremely low living costs in many regions. You can find affordable guest houses or shared apartments for very little money, especially in smaller cities and towns. Meals at local restaurants often cost under $2 and are full of flavor and variety. Transportation by train, bus, and rickshaw is also very cheap. From beaches to mountains to historic cities, India provides endless experiences while keeping daily expenses incredibly low. Number 6. Georgia. Georgia is a hidden gem for affordable living in Eastern Europe. Rent is low, especially outside the capital, and many apartments come fully furnished. Traditional Georgian meals are filling and cheap, and local bakeries sell fresh bread and pastries for very little. Public transportation is reliable and inexpensive, making it easy to explore cities and countryside. Georgia also offers beautiful mountains, wine regions, and historic towns. Combined with long visa stays for many nationalities, it's a great option for long-term budget living. Number 7. Mexico. Mexico offers a comfortable lifestyle with rich culture and affordable prices in many regions. Rent is low in smaller cities, and towns and groceries are inexpensive when you shop locally. Street food like tacos and tamales often costs around $1, making eating out very affordable. Public transportation is cheap, and buses connect most cities easily. With colorful festivals, historic streets, and beautiful coastlines, Mexico allows you to enjoy a high-quality lifestyle without high daily expenses. Number 8. Bulgaria. Bulgaria is one of the most affordable countries in the European Union, making it an excellent choice for travelers who want to enjoy European culture without European prices. In smaller cities and towns, rent is very low, And even in larger cities, you can find comfortable apartments at reasonable monthly rates. Utility bills and internet are also inexpensive, helping keep total living costs down. Traditional Bulgarian meals are hearty, filling, and cheap, and local bakeries and markets offer fresh bread, fruits, and vegetables for just a few dollars. Public transportation is reliable and affordable, and many city centers are easy to explore on foot. Beyond the cities, you'll find beautiful mountain ranges, peaceful countryside, historic old towns, and relaxing Black Sea beaches. With its low daily expenses and diverse scenery, Bulgaria lets you enjoy a comfortable European lifestyle while staying well within a small budget. Number 9. Albania. Albania offers stunning Mediterranean beauty without the high prices found in nearby European destinations. In coastal cities and inland towns alike, rent is very affordable, and you can find comfortable apartments or private rooms at low monthly costs. Food is also inexpensive, whether you're shopping at local markets or eating at family-run restaurants. Fresh seafood, grilled meats, homemade bread, and locally grown fruits and vegetables are widely available for just a few dollars per meal. Transportation between cities is cheap and reliable, with buses and minibuses connecting most towns for very low fares. Even popular beach areas remain far less crowded and much cheaper than places like Greece or Italy. With its mix of crystal-clear beaches, scenic mountains, and charming historic villages, Albania allows you to enjoy a relaxed Mediterranean lifestyle while easily staying within a small, daily budget. Number 10. Bolivia. Bolivia is one of South America's most affordable countries, offering rich culture, friendly locals, and dramatic natural landscapes all on a very small budget. In cities like La Paz, Cochabamba, and Sucre, you can easily find cheap private rooms or simple apartments at low monthly prices, often including basic utilities. Local restaurants serve large, filling meals for just a few dollars, making it easy to eat out every day without overspending. Public transportation is extremely cheap, with buses and shared taxis costing less than $1 in most cases, so getting around is never a problem. Local markets sell fresh fruits, vegetables, bread, and meats at very low prices, helping you save even more if you cook at home. From colorful colonial streets and lively markets to breathtaking salt flats and mountain views, Bolivia offers unforgettable travel experiences while still keeping your daily expenses comfortably under control. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to travel or move abroad, this is your sign that you don't need to be rich to live well. With smart choices and the right location, $30 a day can give you comfort, freedom, and adventure. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more travel tips, and comment which country you'd move to first. Your dream lifestyle might be closer and cheaper than you think.